How's it going, guys? Welcome to my empty apartment tour. So when you first come in to my apartment, I live in a 1-bedroom luxury apartment in New Jersey, and this is what you could get for dollars a month. So first, when you first come in, you see one of the closets that I have. So this is one of them. Yeah, so this is one of the closets. It's like literally, this is somebody else's walk-in closet. I really do love this, one of these closets. It has really high ceilings. I just would need a lamp in here, or a light. I wish they put a light in here, but it's cool because this is probably gonna be my coat closet, my luggage and stuff, and probably a couple of my shoes because I just don't like my shoes to be in the same closet as mine. So that's one. And then when you come straight to this way, you okay? When you come into this one, this is another closet. It has a little bit less space, but there's a lot of room inside of here. As you can see, it has really high ceilings, a good shelf, and a pole. This is probably going to be another closet for my business, where I'm gonna put everything inside of here for Sakaki stuff. So that's gonna be really used. And then this is gonna be, I'm probably gonna put like a, I don't know, it's a vanity or a side table right here, which I think is gonna be cute because it just comes in. And then as soon as you come into the apartment, which I love so much that it's sectioned off that you don't see the whole apartment when you first come in, is the kitchen, which I super do love. One of my favorite parts about this kitchen is the cabinets and the color way that they did. So it has a brown, grayish oak color. I actually don't know what color this would be, but yeah. But then I love the black cabinets with it. That is one of my favorite parts. They open so wide. Like, how I'm gonna get there, I don't know, but I do cook so much, so I would definitely have to figure out something, a system out. I'll probably just buy a stool. This is another cabinet. It has so much space, like, yes. It's just so much space. So I really do like that. I probably won't use that all the way up, and then it's underneath the cabinet here. And then we have another vanity here as well, which I'll probably, a pantry, excuse me, which I'll probably put like snacks and stuff. And then we have this one, which is such my favorite. I'm probably gonna put all my food and probably my seasonings in this. I love this so much. It has so much detail. Like, my air fryer's definitely gonna go up there. If you know me, you know I got mad appliances. So I wonder if this is another one. And then these are just like regular drawers. Like, it has so much space. All the appliances are stainless steel. The only thing I don't like is this refrigerator. I wish it was a 2-door refrigerator. I think that would just be better, like, because I have so much stuff. This is the freezer. And then I have, well, this is bigger than my last refrigerator that I had. So, you know what? I'm cool with this part, but I really wish it was 2 doors, just because I like the space. And then we come to this beautiful stove that I love so much. I think they have like different cooking settings on here. My mother has one of these, and hers actually have an air fryer setting in it. So I'm gonna get to know how that looks. I finally have, I still think that refrigerator is medium-sized refrigerator because my last 2 apartments had smaller ovens, but I think this is a good size oven. Actually, the one in my last apartment is regular size too, but the one before that was like medium. And now we have all white counters. I love this part, but one of the details I love that they did is put over black hardware, like on the doors, on in the bathroom. Once you see that, like this is one of my favorite things. They could just spray the water. Like I've used this so much, and this is pretty big. I thought it was gonna be smaller, but it's not as deep as I thought. But that's fine because I'm going to be using the mess out of this dishwasher. Like, yes, I'm gonna love it here. Yeah, so I'm gonna be in this dishwasher. What I was looking for in a new apartment, I was looking for a washer dryer, a dishwasher was a must-have. I could not bring my laundry all the way to the laundry. It was just a hassle. I would never do my laundry for months on end, and I would just buy more and more clothes because that's what I wanted to do. So this was a must-have. I love this one. It matches all the appliances in here. And you guys, oh, I almost forgot. So I don't use a microwave. So this is gonna be really funny because I never had a microwave of all the 10 years that I lived by myself. I never had a microwave, so this is gonna be fun, but I would need this for like the office and I want, but that's gonna be fun because I'm not really using. So as soon as you come right here, you will see the washer dryer and unit. It's pretty basic washer dryer, but at this point I don't even care because your girl needed anything. It's pretty big though. Oh yeah, this is really big. But y'all don't even understand, like, your girl was going through it, and then it has a little bit, I believe it has a light in here, yeah, it does have a light. So, you could put, I guess, the laundry detergent and a little bit of other stuff. It's not really big space, but it was good enough for me because I need a washer dryer. So that is the washer dryer area, and then once you come through this way, you will see this beautiful like bathroom. Like this is one of my favorite things. This also has a sliding door, which I think is so good because I love this sliding door. I think it minimizes space. I love that so much. So it won't be like hitting two doors or whatever. I think that was smart. And then they have this marble sink with this black detail. This thing, they really paid attention to detail. It's a really good size sink area. And then I will have just my basics like my flosser and my toothbrush, and then like soap and stuff. And then underneath, this is just it looks like there's drawers, but they actually just one big thing. And I do love the floors in here. I believe it's the same floors, yeah, it's the same floors that's in the kitchen. But I'm definitely gonna have, I either gonna get like a black rug, because it's gonna be the color schemes of my apartment, black, like a bronze gold brown color. And then I'm going to do a white as well. And your girl got a Toto toilet. Y'all know how much these toilets cost and be running. And then here's just like a towel rack. And then we have the shower, which I do love. So it has the black hardware all through the entire tub. The tub is small to me, but I haven't had a tub since my last apartment, and that was almost 3 years ago. It was dirty because I didn't move in yet, so I didn't wash it. And then there is a shower head right here, which I love because it's black. We have everything, and one of my favorite things about this entire place is probably one of the other reasons why I got this is a full mirror, like full-size mirror. Like I hate when places just give you a small little thing and you fend for yourself. I think it's worth not having a cabinet or to put stuff in it because I just think that this is way better than cabinet space. And then I just love to see myself. So it feel like multiple people could come in here and do their makeup. I can do my videos. I have so much space. This is actually a really huge bathroom. Everything is spaced out. Nothing's like, it doesn't feel like anything's on top of each other. And then it just got the black accent toilet roll. And then I love the tile in the brown. Y'all, they really did this, like this detail, like for the brown to the tile. That was a one-day one. I think whoever designed this, they really put their foot in this, because this is definitely worth the money. So once you come out of the bathroom, as soon as you turn right, you will see the living room area, which I love so much. I'm thinking about, oh, actually, before we go there is another closet, which I was thinking on putting my desk in here, so my desk won't be outside. Like moving this, taking away this, or I can even leave it, but like finding a small enough desk that could go in here, or just to pull it out a little bit, so I could do my work here. So you won't be able to see any of like my desk stuff. So this is gonna be in here, or I could always figure out if I had too much clothes or anything, I just figure out where to put my desk, because I could always put my desk inside of my bedroom. And then we come into the living room, which I do love so much. It's so much space. One of the colors I'm going for are brown, gold, and black and white. So I think we're gonna get like a beige couch. So the beige couch is gonna go right here. It's so cute. And then I'm gonna have the TV over here. If I decide to leave my desk situation, I think I'm gonna put my desk here if I have enough room, because the couch is pretty big, but we will see. And then soon as you come from the living room, you go straight into the bedroom area, which is so amazing. Like, it's such a good size. Like, I love how big it is. It will have just like my bed here, 2 side tables maybe. And then I might get a TV and I might put it here, because I already have a TV, but I want to put a bigger TV in the living room. One of my favorite things right now is this walk-in closet, y'all. If you know me, you know I spend so much money on clothes, but when I saw this closet, I was like, I have to get this apartment, because like I can put everything in here. Like, I love the closet space. I can literally do everything. I think this side of the closet is gonna be like my shoes and stuff, or maybe that side, because they don't have all that whole stuff. But I literally could fit every single part of my clothes all in this. And it has really high ceilings. Let me turn that light on. It has really high ceilings, and like, y'all, like, this don't get better than this. Like, it looks so good. Like, so good. So, yes. And I love the ceiling details that they did. They put all of the spotlight lights inside of here. And yeah, this is my walk-in closet. Like, come on. So this apartment costs $100, which is a little pretty penny, especially because I live in New Jersey, but I live literally 20 minutes away from New York by train, and 30 minutes in New York by driving. We have the train is literally a block away from right here. One thing, this place is extremely expensive. It goes for $, but I truly believe it's so worth it. We get a 1-year membership because I live underneath a gym, and I just felt like I deserved everything. The windows are humongous. I get beautiful sunlight. I love this place because I could just get everything that I'm so used to normally. So it's really not like a huge lifestyle change. But I truly feel like from the floors to the bathroom to the kitchen, And the closet spaces that I do have, I think is well worth it. It has the washer dryer. Everything has AC unit, AC electric. I mean, AC heat is controlled by me. I've been living by myself for 10 years, and this is one of the best apartments that I will live in. I'm gonna feel so free, y'all. I'm gonna finally feel creative, and I'm being able to actually do the things that I love to do because I have the space. I'm coming from a studio apartment, which it was probably about like 400 square feet. I'm still in the same area in New Jersey, but I just feel like it was time to go. I wasn't even supposed to be there that long, but you know what? The Lord blessed me with this place and how I found it. It was truly a blessing, and I think it was well worth it. So this is my apartment. Bye guys, see you next time, and you will get a full move-in tour next. Bye guys.